Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss how to add and customize railing and baluster. Okay, so let's start. So, for that, if you want to add railing here I have drawn one architecture plan. Okay, this is our floor, you can see, and here I have drawn one small layout. Here I have placed the roof also, this roof. So now here in this floor I want to draw the railing and in roof also. Okay, so see how to draw the railing, how you can add railing here. So for that, first of all, from project browser you have to open the level 1. Okay, now you want to draw the railing in this floor, so hit on level 1. Okay, now where you will get the railing? Architecture tab. Here in circulation panel you will get the railing option. So from here you have to hit on drop down list. Here you will get two types of railing: sketch path and place on stair or ramp. Okay, so we have to discuss that also. So suppose first of all I am just using sketch path, so hit on that sketch path. Now where you want to draw the railing? So suppose I want to draw the railing from this point. Okay, if you want to give the offset, that also you can give it. From here select the line. I want to draw the railing from here, so just draw it where you want. I want here also. Okay, after that, see, here I have drawn the railing, complete railing in the entire of this plan. Then hit on finish edit mode. Now see in 3D how it will look. It looks like this. Okay, so here I have drawn the railing, but in this portion here I don't want to draw the railing here in this portion because we have to enter from this side. So I don't want to give the railing. So for that, if you want to delete some part of railing, so what you have to do, just select that railing. See, the edit part option is given here in modify tab, mode panel, edit part, select it. Okay, now come here in level 1 only. Now what I am doing, just select and delete. Sorry, press the Ctrl Z, select. Now from here you have to delete it. After that, when I'm using just I'm selecting finish edit mode. Now see how it's look. Here the railing is deleted from this side. Okay, first try to understand here what is actually in railing. Already I have discussed the top portion of this railing is called as a top rail, this one. Okay, and below that you can see the vertical line is shown. This is called as a baluster. Okay, and here you can see host is also shown here. This is called as a corner host. Okay, this is also a corner host, and you will get the host here. This is the mid host, middle host. Okay, same way here also this is called as a middle host. Okay, so in this way we have to draw the railing. Now the next thing is the same railing I want to draw in this roof also. So if you want to draw the railing in roof, so what we have to do, you have to open the level 2. Okay, because you have to draw the railing from level 2 only na. Select the level 2. Here you can see you will get the layout, then architecture tab, circulation panel. From here I have selected sketch path. Okay, now see, from here select the line and draw the railing from where you want. So here I have taken, we have a multiple option, so as per your requirement you can just draw it. Then finally finish edit mode. Okay, now see in 3D view, here we have drawn the railing. So when we have drawn, see this railing, if you want to do the changes, just select the railing and see. It is showing here in properties, palette, base level. We have started this railing from which level? Level 1. So it is showing level 1. If you want to give some base offset, okay, like for example, I want to give 2 feet offset. So see here the railing which you have given, how much offset? 2 feet. Okay, so if you don't want to give, just select 0, apply. Okay, now the second option is offset from path. How much offset you want to give from this path where you have placed the railing? So if you want to give some offset, see, for example, 2 feet. So see, from the path, how much offset we have given? 2 feet. Okay. If you don't want, okay, select 0. Getting? Now same way, here they are showing the length of complete railing. Okay. Now suppose here I have placed this type of railing. You can see, suppose you don't want this, you want to place some other type of railing, because we have a different option in this properties palettes. Here you will get the different types of railing. The railing which I have placed is handrail rectangular type. Okay, you can see this is our rectangular type. If you want some other type, okay, select that railing and change it as a glass panel bottom fill. So see, you will get this type of railing, glass fill. Okay, same if you want to change this as a rectangle only, so just give it rectangle. Otherwise, here we have a different option, handrail rectangular. Suppose here in this railing, if you want to provide the hand rail also, so see, here we have option, select the railing. The option is given, sorry, good guard rail rectangular. So here you will get this handrail also. See, they have given automatically. So as per that, you can just change it. Okay, what you want. So I am taking handrail rectangular, and this railing I want to change as a glass panel bottom fill. Okay, I have changed it. Same way now, we have placed the railing. Here what I want to do now, I want to do the changes. Suppose I have selected railing. Okay, when you come here in edit type, hit on this edit type. Here you will get the type properties. Okay, in that top rail it is showing, okay, what height you want. So anything you can change it from here. So see, first of all, just zoom in. Okay, now see how we have to do the setting for this railing. Suppose here I am drawing one railing also. Suppose I want to draw the staircase. In that also we have a railing. So architecture tab, hit on stair, and from here just draw one uh, stair like this, straight. Okay, hit on finish edit. Now come here in 3D. See, we have placed this stair. So what I am discussing here, I have told you, suppose if you want to do the changes, so select that railing. Okay, edit type. See, in edit type we have a different option. So for that, first zoom in and come here. Select that railing, hit on edit type. Now when you come, first option here, you can see the top rail option is given. If you want to see this top rail, okay, so you have to check it, otherwise unchecked. If you don't want to see, then see the top rail is not visible now. Okay, select it, edit sorry, for that you have to select the complete railing like this, edit type. Now use top rail. If you don't want to use top rail, uncheck, apply. So cannot create railing, it is showing. Okay, top reference is below bottom reference for one or more baluster. Okay, so we cannot use this option. Okay, just check it. I want to use the top rail because we want now how much height for this top rail? Actual height is given 3 feet. If you want to increase the height, 5 feet. See, now the height will increase. Okay, this baluster height or this railing height. Okay, but I want 3 feet only, so write down 3 feet, apply. So see, the height will reduce. Now which type of railing you want? So it is rectangular, 2 inch by 2 inch. If you want some other, double hit on the 3 dot. Here you can see the type is showing rectangular. Default joint is meter. Hand clearance, profile, which type of profile you want. So this detail is given for this top rail. Okay, so it is actually profile is circular handrail. If you want to change the profile of this top rail like rectangular, hit on that, apply. Now see, the top rail profile is as a rectangle. Okay, if you don't want to change, you want circular only, hit on circular, apply. See, you will get the circular type of railing. Now the second thing, default joint. So here the joint is meter joint. If you want to change, fillet is also there, hit on that fillet, apply. Okay, so you will get the fillet joint. So as per that, you have to change it. Okay, now the next thing, transition. So it is gooseneck. If you want to take simple, if you don't want to take the transition, actually transition is what, 1 minute, I will show you in another. When you are turning, we get the one fitting. Okay, so which type of fitting you want, so it is showing here it is not possible to show. So see, 1 minute, close it. Now from here what I am doing, see, I want to create one more, suppose this one, a stair. So architecture stair. Now suppose I have drawn like this one stair in this way. From here select the run left, and then sorry, run right, and then run the staircase. Okay, complete staircase is now here. Finish edit mode. Now come here in 3D. Now here when you see in this stair, here transition means what, this join, I'm talking about this joint. Okay, see, top rail joining. If you want to change this join, okay, so we have a different option. Select the railing, edit type, and here as I told you, in this top rail only, you have to hit on this three dot, which type of joint you want. So when I'm selecting fillet, see, here you will get the fillet. Okay, and when you select from here, sorry, I'm talking about the transition. It is a gooseneck type transition. Suppose we have selected simple, apply, but the rail is not continuous, so break in the rail so usually occur at okay. So you will get this type of, okay, so whatever, if you don't want, okay, none option is also given, none, apply. Okay, that option is also available. So as per your requirement, you have to choose it. See, now gooseneck type of railing. If you want to change the material of this top rail, okay, from here just select, hit on this three dot, and you can change it. Suppose I want to apply stainless steel material. See, here we have a stainless steel, select it, use render appearance, or just apply. Okay, okay, now the material will change. What you want, just hit on apply, apply. Okay, now see, here you will get the steel top rail. Which type of material is steel? Okay, but if you want to see the realistic view of that steel, so you have to open the realistic first of all from visual style. Okay, now see, the material is shown here, steel material. Okay, so now I am using the shaded view. Okay, so from here you can do the changes, you can change the material of top rail, whatever you want. Now some other setting I want to show you. See, select this rail, hit on edit type. So we have discussed about the top rail, how to do the setting, how to increase this height and type, how to change the type, that all we have discussed. Now the next one is handrail first. So suppose in this railing, if you want handrail also, okay, so for that, here in type, you have to hit on this three dot. Now here you will get the option support identification. Okay, default joint, profile, it is showing height. So I want to choose C termination, beginning, and sorry, just go back from here, handrail. So from here, just select which type of handrail you want. So we are talking about handrail type na. So it is a circular type. Okay, whatever it is there, if you want to change, you can change it. If you want to change the height and everything, suppose you want this handrail at what height, like 2 feet, because 3 feet already we have one handrail at 2 feet. So better is to duplicate and do the work. So duplicate and write down handrail. Okay, if you want to change the properties, only the properties of this stair handrail, only the properties of this railing handrail, so you have to duplicate first of all. Okay, now do the changes. Now I want one more handrail whose height is 2 feet. At 2 feet I want. So okay, now from here position, they are asking where you want handrail. Left, apply, you will get the handrail at left. If you want right side, hit on right, apply, see, you will get the handrail in right side. At what height? 2 feet, because we have given the height 2 feet. Okay, same way, suppose I want in left right both, hit on apply, you will get both sides, see. But here select on left. Okay, so here you will get the handrail, you can see. Okay, now see the handrail at what height. See, we have placed one more handrail at 2 feet. Okay, same way now, here suppose you want to draw some, you want to do the setting like this, select it, edit type. Okay, so in handrail only, uh, handrail second we have selected left, and whatever handrail 1, in handrail 1 also you can just use which type you want and then select it as per your requirement, height and whatever. Okay, next thing which I want to show you here is what, okay, baluster placement, external trim. Okay, it's okay, we have completed here. Now see, just select this handrail, hit on edit type. Here you will get one option, I think, just wait. In this three dot only, when you hit here, okay, plus thread depth, extension style, which type you want. So from here you can do the setting. Okay, so different setting is given here as per your requirement, you have to do the setting. Getting? I hope that all of you understood this thing. If you want to add one more handrail, so for that what you have to do, here in handrail 1 also you have to select the handrail which you want at what height. Suppose now I want handrail in 2.5 height, same circular only. And I have first better is to duplicate, as I told you, first hit on duplicate. Now write down handrail 1. Okay, now from here I have changed the height to 0.5 feet. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, now when you select it, this railing edit type, here you can see in handrail 1 we have selected the type handrail 1. Where you want, in left, select left, apply. See, one more handrail you will get at 2.5. Okay, in this way you can apply it. Two handrail you can add it in your railing. Okay, so this is, in this way we have to do the changes. Okay, all of you, here I have shown you this setting, how to add handrail and everything. Now see, first delete this one, just delete it. Okay, now come here in 3D. Now okay, we have done this setting. Now if suppose here different setting is also there, select that railing in edit type. So we have discussed about the top rail and handrail and everything. Now the second thing is what, suppose here rail structure option is given. What is, which type of structure you want, railing structure, hit on edit. See, here what you can do, just insert the railing which you want. So hit on insert, Which type of railing you want, you can select it from here. Which type you want to add. Okay, so here you can give any type, name, height, offset, how much you want. Okay, everything you can do. So for that, it is a rectangular type, so you can give the name and apply. Okay, suppose here I have given new rail, whatever height, at which height you want. Okay, so suppose I want that railing at 1.5 feet, I have given the height. Okay, if you want to change the material from here, change it, apply. Okay, getting? Now here you can do the changes. Okay, now if you want to give any shape, if you want to select any shape, it is a rectangle only, that is why it is showing this. Suppose if you want to add other type, so from here I think you can change the type also. It is not showing. 1 minute. Preview option, see this is your preview. Suppose I want to change the type here. Any option? Yeah, you can change the profile from here. See, it is a rectangle. If you don't want this, you want see circular handrail, select it, apply. See, you will get circular. Okay, so automatically now what happened, rail 1 whatever, this is our which I have created na, railing. If you want to give railing here, you can provide it. Again you want to enter second railing, hit on that, at what height you want that railing. So this railing we have created at which, what height, 1 feet 6 means 1.5. Suppose I want to give one more railing at 1 feet. Okay, so, and you can give the name what you want. Now here also I want circular, so see, just hit on circular. If you want to change the material, you can change the material also, then hit on apply. See, here you will get one more railing at 1 feet from the bottom. If you don't want, so just delete that. Okay, now I think all of you clear this thing. Just delete both of them. Okay, then apply. See, both railing is deleted. Okay, in this way you can add, then hit on apply. Okay, now I think it is clear. Now the second option, here you can see the baluster placement. This vertical railing is called as a baluster. If you want to do the setting here, hit on edit. Now here you can see this is our baluster, all of you know. Okay, so if you want to do some setting like name, you can see here the which type of baluster we have taken, rectangular. So it is showing here the name is rectangular. You can increase it, regular baluster. Okay, baluster square, we have taken a square baluster. If you want to change other, okay, you want round type, select it round, hit on apply. Now see, you will get the round baluster. Okay, in your project also, same way, base is host. You want to draw the baluster from host, so from here also, if you want baluster from top rail, select that, apply. But here the problem is what, uh, as per host only, just I'm selecting the host. Suppose if you have created any here rail, top rail is here na, so only two option is given. You can base level, base I have selected, host automatically, whatever. Top rail element you can select, but top rail is this, so no, just leave it. Now base offset, how much you want to give, so as per your requirement you can give the base offset also. So just here I want to show you. So see, just minimize the preview and come here. See what I am doing. If I have selected here base offset, suppose 1 feet, and hit on apply, see what happened. So baluster will be at 1 feet offset. Okay, so remember this all point. So here I am taking this 0, like, okay, apply, okay. Now see, here I will show you how to do it, how to do this setting. See, okay, I want the base offset, so select it, edit type, as I told you. In baluster placement, hit on edit. So okay, from here you can change the profile of baluster. If base offset I have taken 1 feet, hit on apply. Now here you will get 1 feet, but it is not showing. Suppose I am taking 5 inches, hit on apply. So you can give the base offset from here. Okay, so now I have selected 0. Now top rail element, okay, you can change it from your top offset. You can give the top offset also, what you want. Distance from previous, between baluster, how much distance you want. So it is by default 4 inch. If you want to increase, suppose 1 feet, I have selected apply. Okay, again apply. Okay, now see, here you will get the gap between this baluster. How much gap? 1 feet. Okay, same way, hit on edit type, come here in baluster placement, hit on edit. Suppose now you have changed, you want base offset also. So here I am selecting 1 feet base offset, apply. Okay, then apply. See, here you can see the base offset. You will get the baluster, how much offset, whatever you have written, 1 feet. Okay, so again I'm in this edit, and you can change the, here you can draw the from top rail also if you want to draw, apply, but here there is no option. So okay, top rail element, suppose I have selected host here, what happening? See, only the host. As I told you, the starting this one baluster is not a baluster, it is a host. Okay, if you don't want to see, hit on apply. Okay, okay, now the next thing is what? Distance. You can change the distance. So I don't want to change, I want a 4 inch only, so I have selected 4 inch. Okay, and whatever here base offset, I want 0. Okay, and baluster type, I want this one only, so apply. Okay, then apply it. See, now you will get the previous whatever. Now see, other option is, I think, see here, justification, justify from beginning. You want to justify from beginning, from end, everything option is given. Okay, now see, here you can see, if you want to use baluster per thread on a stair. Okay, this option is what? See, all of you, suppose cancel it and see. When you see in this thread the baluster which we have drawn, you can see how many number of baluster we have. 1 2 3 per thread. We have 1 2 3 baluster. You can see 1 2 3 here also, in this thread also 3. Okay, so if you want only 2 baluster per thread, okay, so that option is also available. Select that railing, edit type. Here in baluster placement, hit on edit. Okay, now here you have to check use baluster per thread. So you want to see only 2 per thread, so select 2, apply. Okay, again hit on apply. Now see, on this thread, how many number of baluster is there per thread? 2 number of baluster. Okay, in this way you can change this setting also. Okay, so now I'm just uncheck this, whatever you want you can just apply. Okay, second thing, see, as I told you, name is written start post, corner post, end post. As I told you, this is our start post. In staircase, when you come here, this is your start post. You want to do the setting, you want to change the profile of this start post, you can change it here. This is called as a end post. So suppose if you want to change the profile and anything of this start post, select it, edit type. Here you can see in baluster placement, hit on edit. Now I want to do some changes in this start post. So suppose it is a square shape, I want to round shape, so hit on that round, apply. Okay, again apply. See, now this start post is round shape. Okay, same way. Now some other setting is also there. Suppose here if you want to give some offset, you can give it from here. Okay, every option is given to you. Space, how much space you want as per your requirement. So from here, same way. Now if you have a end post, you want to change, you want to change the profile of that end post, that also you can do it. Like for example, here this is our start post we have done. Now this is our end post, you can see, but it is not changed. I want to change this also. It is a square shape, no? I want to change this end post as a circular or any profile. Select it, edit type, hit on in baluster placement. In end post, just select round. Here also I want round. Apply. Okay. Now see in figure, when I hit on this apply, here you will get the round shape end post. Okay. Somewhere here you will get, this is called as a mid post. Okay. This I have not changed. That is why it is showing a square only. See, the mid post is mid post, or you can say corner post. Here also, here we have a mid post. The shape of this mid post is square. You can see it from here. The difference between post and, if you want to change it circular, okay, select that in edit type, hit on baluster placement. Here in corner post, I want round. Apply. Okay, again hit on apply. See, now it will become round. Okay, so in this way you can change the start post, end post, corner post. Okay, and this all I have discussed here. Same thing. Now suppose here I have deleted this. Suppose, okay, suppose the next is what, in a stair, we are drawing the railing. Place on stair directly. If you want to place the railing in a stair, okay, you can do. Suppose here I have drawn the railing, I have deleted this railing. Now I want to place the railing here. So what I am doing, come here in floor plan first. This is my railing. I have deleted that railing. You can see in 3D. Okay. Now I want to place the railing again. So what you have to do, the second option is given in railing, place on stair. So hit on that place on stair. Now you have to select the stair, but here in position panel you will get the two option where you want to place the railing in threads. So select the thread and select the stair. Now when you see in this 3D, the railing we have placed where, in thread. If you don't want to place the railing in threads, you want to place the railing in this spin, in this stringer. Okay, you don't want to place the thread in this thread. I want to place the railing in this what we can say stringer. Okay, so for that what you can do, select it and delete both step. Now I want to place the railing in this stringer. Okay, I don't want place in this thread. So for that what I'm doing, in railing you have to select place on stair. Now I want to place the railing in a stringer. Select the stringer and then complete stair. Now see, here you will get the railing in stringer. Okay, in this way we you can place anywhere, so as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the complete tutorial of how to draw railing. Okay, how to add and customize railing, that all we have discussed. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in